Welcome to Basic IT System, where we simplify technology for everyone. Today I'll show you 4 hidden Mozilla Firefox features that can elevate your browsing experience in 2024. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or an everyday user, these tips will save you time and boost productivity. Before we dive in, consider please subscribe to the channel and clicking the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech tutorials. First, we are talking about built-in screenshot tool. So open your browser, Firefox browser, and first hidden gems is Firefox built-in screenshot tool, a feature often overlooked. Here's how it works. Right click anywhere like here and take a screenshot. A feature you can select, take a screenshot, you can capture some specific areas or the visible portion or the entire page. For example, I would like to take my specific areas where I exactly want to take a screenshot. Simply download, or you can also take enter a screenshot like this. For example, you go to a page and you just wanted to enter screenshots using Mozilla Firefox. So as usual before, right click on it and take screenshots and your desired areas and scroll down and the rest of it where exactly you want to stop. So I'd like to stop here. So this is specific area I would like to take a screenshot and then download. That's it, very simple. From shortcut key you can press from your keyboard Ctrl Shift S for screenshot. For Windows and for Mac, just press Ctrl Shift and S. Command Shift S for Mac. Tip number 2. Container tabs for privacy and organization. Next, let's talk about container tabs, a Firefox exclusive feature designed for privacy and organization. So this feature allows you to separate your browsing activities. For example, use one container for work accounts, another for shopping, and a third for social media. It's perfect for keeping cookies and trackers confined to specific tabs. To enable, just go to browser settings and click on it, extension and themes, and simply type Firefox multi account, then hit enter, click on it, add Firefox, add, OK. From there you can select on it and get started. Next, and for syncing, no need because I don't have any account previously, so not now. And enable and click allow, it's allowed. So what you have to do, just click a new tab. For example, this tab's your personal tab, so Facebook for instance. So right click on it and open new container tab and make it personal, so it's automatically colored. Click plus once again, suppose youtube.com, and right click on it and open container, work. It's automatically selected work, as you can see here, and the Facebook is personal, YouTube is work. The same way you can add other steps like my work or my shopping. I'd like to add this tab to my shopping areas, so click, just simply open new container and shopping. That's it. This is how you can manage your productivity from the Firefox browser. Next, picture in picture mode. To enjoy multitasking, Firefox picture in picture mode lets you watch videos in a floating window while browsing other tabs. Here's how. Hover any video and you will see a blue picture in picture icon. Just you have to do, for example, youtube.com and go to YouTube and for example my channel videos, basic IT system. Go to, for example, this video. Just as you can see, click this specific icon so it can help you to float your moving screen. So I clicked and it's already moved and you can work easily without any interruption, and you can customize the area of the screen. So very simple, cool, right? Okay, next, enable hardware acceleration for speed. Go to settings. Finally, it's I have to talk about a little bit that Firefox performance with hardware acceleration. This feature leverages your computer's GPU to handle graphics heavy tasks, making your browsing smooth and faster. So what you have to do to enable, go to settings from your browser and settings, and from the general section, of course, to your left navigation, select general section and scroll down and performance. So the check box have to uncheck to make sure that the acceleration, enable hardware acceleration, is already checked or not. So uncheck and use hardware acceleration when available. Just if in case you can see this box is unchecked, please check it. So that's it, and close the browser and reopen and browse smoothly. That's it. Very nice, cool, right? So this is the end, and please don't forget to subscribe. That's wraps my ups today on 4 hidden Firefox tips and tricks to level up your browsing in 2024. Which feature did you find most useful? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to turn the notification bell to never miss an update for basic IT system. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.